Benji, shh, mommy's recording. I guess since I live in these countries that people like to call the third world now, it's not the third world. It's the same world that God made for everyone. You see these Manna packs around. I tend to just get them in my hands through church, just through neighbors. We share them around. They're provided by Feed My Starving Children, a very worthwhile organization. It is this organization's answer to food insecurity. Please check the link in comments and go there and support them in some way. And I also saw another video about Manna Pack. This man really did a good presentation about what Feed My Starving Children does and is all about. And so you should check that video out as well. Let's see if I can link you to that video in this video. I started to experiment with Manna Pack. Here you're going to see my recipe for a veggie burger made with Manna Pack. Okay guys, enjoy.